This 96GB G.SKILL Ripjaws M5 DDR5 kit offers a generous capacity that is ideal for heavy multitasking, large creative projects, and modern gaming workloads. The dual 48GB modules are tuned for solid DDR5 speed with tight enough timings to keep everyday performance and responsiveness feeling snappy. Support for Intel XMP 3.0 makes it straightforward to unlock higher speeds in the BIOS on compatible Intel platforms without manual fine-tuning. The modules are designed specifically for recent Intel desktop chipsets, which helps ensure good compatibility and stable operation when paired with supported motherboards. Subtle matte white heat spreaders, combined with addressable lighting, give the memory a clean, customizable look that fits well in themed builds with glass side panels. G.SKILL backs this kit with a reputation for reliable desktop memory, so once configured correctly, it tends to run quietly in the background without fuss or instability.